I'm sure in this week 4 you have studied these two important modules on patent law in detail. In this particular week you studied a module on software and business method patents. Did you look into section 3K in detail? Do you see reasonable justifications for excluding algorithms, business methods and computer program per se? What does computer program per se mean? How has the Patent Office implemented its guidelines? What do the most important decisions of the Delhi High Court say with reference to software patents? I'm sure you have gone through the nuances. In the second module during this week, you studied various dimensions of patent protection and its relationship with biodiversity. Why do you think that an additional provision has been included in the section 3 exclusions to exclude inventions that are in essence traditional knowledge? Do you think there is a reasonable justification to have an exclusion where there is otherwise an inventive step and novelty and industrial applications? If not, and if, as it is usually argued, that traditional knowledge is misappropriated to the patent system, do you think prior art and creating databases could help? Did you look into the traditional knowledge database or the digital library and how it has helped or not helped the weeding of erroneous grant of patents? Of course, there may be limitations, but I'm sure you have looked into the positive dimensions of this defensive kind of mechanisms to eradicate traditional knowledge from the garb of patent protection. But having said that, what do you think we should do with reference to TK protection in a positive sense? Do you think the National Biodiversity Authority and the Biological Diversity Act is being implemented in its letter and spirit, and do you think there are impediments? Is there a great kind of divergence between the approaches, and is there a kind of conflict or complementarity between the patent system and the Biological Diversity Act? I'm sure you have gone through the deeper nuances. And we'll meet again in week 5 to study various aspects of copyright protection. Look forward to see you there.